Vitamin B12 is one of the most essential nutrients our body needs, especially for our brain and nerves. Today, we're going to explore 8 B12-rich foods that can supercharge your brain and nerves. These foods can help you protect against cognitive decline and say goodbye to brain fog and fatigue. But that's not all. They can also help prevent tingling, numbness, and long-term nerve damage, ensuring your nervous system stays strong. Before we dive into our amazing list, let's quickly discuss vitamin B12 and why it's so important for our body. Also known as cobalamin, vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in energy levels, brain function, nerve health, and overall health. But here's the thing. Our bodies can't produce vitamin B12 on their own. That means we must obtain it through our diet or supplements. This makes it vital to pay attention to what we eat to ensure we meet our daily B12 needs. Unfortunately, vitamin B12 deficiency is quite common, especially among older adults, which can lead to fatigue, weakness, memory problems, mood swings, and even nerve damage. But don't worry, we've got your back. According to the National Institutes of Health, the recommended daily intake of B12 for both men and women is 2.4 micrograms. Now, without further ado, let's begin. First up, we have an often overlooked shellfish that's not only delicious but also packs an unbelievable nutritional punch: clams. Clams are B12 powerhouses. Just 10 small clams, about 80 grams, deliver a mind-blowing 3,500% of the daily value for vitamin B12. Talk about a nutrient jackpot. But that's not all. They're also rich in iron, giving you almost 200% of the daily value per 100 grams. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout your body, keeping your energy levels high and your brain sharp. Even the broth from boiled clams is a hidden gem when it comes to vitamin B12 content. In fact, canned clam broth can deliver between 113% and 588% of the daily value per 3.5 ounces. So the next time you enjoy a bowl of clam chowder, know that you're indulging in a tasty meal while nourishing your body. Next, we have a food that's often overlooked but should be a staple for energy and vitality: beef liver. Liver is basically nature's most potent multivitamin. Just one small serving, 100 grams, delivers over 3,000% of your daily B12 needs. But that's just the beginning. It's also packed with iron, which helps prevent fatigue, vitamin A, which supports skin, vision, and immune health, and folate, which is important for DNA repair and red blood cell production. If you're feeling drained, low on energy, or looking to boost your brain power, beef liver is the ultimate natural remedy. Next, we have sardines. Small but powerful when it comes to nutrition. Sardines are soft-bone, saltwater fish often sold canned in water, oil, or sauces. However, you can also find them fresh. What makes sardines so special is their incredible nutritional profile. They are loaded with vitamin B12. Just 1 cup, 150 grams, of drained sardines provides an impressive 554% of the daily value for vitamin B12. That's huge for energy, nerve function, and preventing B12 deficiency. But here's what makes them extra special. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, improve memory, and even boost mood. Oh, and did I mention they're an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D for strong bones? Small but mighty indeed. Next, we have the perfect package of nutrients: eggs. While they don't have as much B12 as meat or fish, they still offer a good dose, about 46% daily value per 2 eggs. But here's the secret. Most of the B12 is in the yolk, so don't just eat egg whites. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that helps boost brain function, memory, and metabolism. So if you need a simple, budget-friendly B12 source, eggs are a winner. Before we continue, let me know where you're joining from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from us. Next on our list is another fish that deserves a spot on your plate: tuna. Just 1 serving of cooked tuna, 100 grams, delivers over 400% of your daily B12 needs. But the benefits don't stop there. Tuna is also packed with selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. And since it's high in protein, it's fantastic for muscle recovery, energy levels, and keeping you full longer. A perfect go-to food for an active lifestyle. Next up, mussels. Mussels might be small, But when it comes to nutrition, they're mighty. A 100-gram serving of mussels contains over 1,600% of your daily B12 needs, along with a solid dose of omega-3 fatty acids for brain and heart health. Feeling drained? Mussels are a natural energy booster. They're high in iron, which helps transport oxygen throughout your body, keeping your brain sharp and your muscles strong. Next time you see mussels on a menu, you might want to grab a plate for a powerful nutrient punch. Next, we have dairy such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, the vegetarian-friendly source. For those who don't eat meat or seafood, dairy products are an essential B12 source. A single glass of milk provides about 50% of your daily B12 needs, while cheese and yogurt also contribute a good amount. Bonus: dairy is packed with calcium, protein, and probiotics, making it great for bone health, muscle strength, and gut health. Last but not least, fortified foods, the best B12 sources for vegetarians and vegans. If you don't eat meat, seafood, or dairy, don't worry. Fortified foods can be your best friend. Some plant-based foods are enriched with vitamin B12, making it easier to get your daily dose. Examples are fortified cereals. Some brands provide 100% of the daily B12 requirement in just one serving. Fortified plant-based milk. Many soy, almond, and oat milks are fortified with B12, making them great dairy alternatives. Nutritional yeast. This cheesy-tasting, vegan-friendly ingredient is packed with B12 and makes a delicious topping for popcorn, pasta, or soups. If you follow a plant-based diet, adding these foods to your meals is a simple way to stay B12 sufficient.